How to update tuple in Python. First, we need a tuple, so tup equals a tuple with 1, 2, and 3. If you didn't know already, tuples are immutable data structures, meaning they cannot be changed directly. There is, however, a workaround. Let's say we wanted to add 4 to the end of this tuple. First we would do tup equals list constructor of tup. This line converts our tuple to a list, which is mutable. Next, we'll do tup.append 4, which will add a 4 to the end of the now list. Last, we'll do tup equals tuple constructor of tup. This converts tup back to a tuple. If we print tup, so print tup, then run the code, you'll see that we have effectively added 4 to the end of the tuple. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.